Go to 4Runner. We're going to be changing out the radio. They brought a Kenwood KMMBT 322 and a kit. Start by taking this off right here, then prying this out right here. Carefully, make sure we don't scratch anything. I'm going to just pry this thing out carefully. Alright, push the button here so we can slide this thing out. We're going to need to take this off. One right there, one down here. Get out. Down here, looks like they've been behind here before. So let's see what's going on. Looks like somebody cut through the harness. Exposed wiring. Not so far. Let's get over here. We're gonna just use this factory bracket so we can mount the radio, the new radio, and the new radio just like that one is. And then put the pocket over here, just like this bottom CD display is. There's the holes right there, and now we're gonna line this one up. And there's the hole right there. Right there. And we're probably gonna have to use a smaller one over here. Yeah, that one's not gonna go in there. So we're gonna use one of my own. Use one of my screws with this small corner piece right here. We don't want it too long. We don't want it to go through, but there we go. Keep it there without falling. Flip this one and swap out the factory bracket. We're gonna put it right here. See where it's gonna sit right there. Line it up, right there, right there. First, once that's nice and tight, I'll work on the bottom one. So we just gotta be careful with this one. It goes all the way back, unlike some of them which are easier right here. Just gotta be careful. Tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. All the way down. Get rid of this. That's just dirty right there. We're gonna tape that up, and this goes to the blue wire on the aftermarket radio. That's gonna turn on the amp, aftermarket amp. If they go ahead and splice these wires, get them ready. Warm up the soldering iron. We don't want to breathe in that smoke, so we're going to turn on the smoke absorber. Is it on? Ready. Let's go and start soldering. It's on the tape. Make sure we don't have any spikes that are going to go through. Tape it all nice. Tight. Look at this. That's just dirty right there. We're going to tape that up, and this goes to the blue wire on the aftermarket radio. That's going to turn on the amp, aftermarket amp. If they even have tape, so we can insulate this. I'll show you guys. This plug is not the standard 1761. That's because there's a factory amp down here. If you unplug it, pull the wires back up, that's where they're at. 1761 plugs are actually down here. You just gotta take off the plugs and just stretch them out up here, and these will plug in to the standard 1761. So if you don't see them here, they're probably on the factory amp, which are just down there. And there you go. You want it nice and clean. Here's some extra antenna for the stock radio. We're not gonna use that. Just put this back in. Move these harnesses out of the way. Push this in. Make sure everything's nicely lined up. That's in. We can put this back in there. Snap it on. Put this back. That's it. Let's test it out. There it goes. Sounds like the speakers are kind of bad. Just as I thought it was going on. They're actually okay. They're ready to go. Detachable faceplate. Make sure it's still